Section 12. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is L. L for leg. I want you to find the letter L on page 12 in your book. Page 12 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound L. Say the sound and words after me. L. L. L for lion. L for ladder. Let's read it again. L for lion. L for ladder. We are now going to practice writing the letter L. This is an easy letter to write. I want you to take your pointing finger and point to the first L. I'm going to show you what to do. We start at the top and it's a straight line down. The L goes through both spaces, the kitty's head and the tummy. Take your finger and trace the L. I'm going to show you again. Start at the top and we go all the way down, a nice straight line, not a skew, not a wiggly line, a straight line. Take your crayon and draw the first L. Now that we have traced the first L, please put your finger on the second L. I'm going to show you how to write the sound. We start at the top and straight down to the bottom line. Put your finger on the top and trace it down to the bottom. Now take your crayon and trace the second L. Now that we have traced the second L, let's go to the last L. Put your finger on the last letter L. I'm going to show you how to write it. Start at the top, straight down. Take your finger and trace over it. Now take your crayon and trace over the last L. Let's read it again. L for lion. L for ladder. Now that you have practiced writing the sound L, see if you can write it on your own. If you have finished writing the letter L, you can color in the leg. L for leg. This is my leg. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 13.